All right, guys, here I am in the Adirondack Mountains, and you can see that this rock is a metamorphic rock. Green Mountains, but they're still part of the range called the Appalachians. And you could see that this rock, this metamorphic rock, is a perfect example of folding. You could see the how the rock, William, can you use your finger and trace out the folding of the metamorphic rock? Yup, and then how it folds over. And now go up, and then see how it goes. Keep going, keep following that line all the way, and then it folds around. So it is not in a straight line. It has a major fold in it, which means that there was some sort of tectonic movement, so some sort of movement of the plates. This is known as regional metamorphism for this type of folding. Pretty neat.